This interaction starts off strange. A man walking the beach with no clothes. Disoriented and apologetic, the deputies remain calm, but the discomfort is real.
We're going, oh man, the poor deputy. Like, how do you put your hand behind your back, get your ass in my car? And I know you don't have any identification.
Do you want to press charges for this?
Oh, I don't care. I mean,
We see no clothes, no nothing, no
Would
bite.
y'all like to press charges though?
No, we just want him off the beach.
Yeah.
All right, well, I sort of need a victim if you're going to press charges.
No,
so.
we're good, man. I mean, the guy's just doing his thing. Oh, he's got the Beatles on.
Does he? Excuse me, sir. Sir. What makes you think you can walk around the beach with no pants on?
No, I don't have anything. I'm sorry.
All right, come on up here.
Fuck. You need to stop.
No, come up here.
Ocean, two ocean. Oh, fuck.
Walk up to my car. Probably should have been pants.
Yeah.
Over here.
Oh, I can't believe you're doing this. I didn't do anything wrong.
Except for walk down the beach butt naked.
I start to roll the window down now.
All right, take down some. Oh, wait, what do we see?
All right, stand by. We're fixing no contact.
She's off the bite. All right, take down,
She's
take
off
down.
the bite. Take down, take down, take down.
Sheriff's office. Sheriff's office.
Don't move.
Grab the stuff out of her chest.
Okay. Jessica, you're being detained. We're going to have a couple questions for you. You need to stay calm and relax, okay? Don't do anything stupid. She's going to do a search. Do you have anything on you?
Did what I was bringing.
What were you bringing?
A ball.
A ball of what?
Coke.
Okay.
Soft.
All right.
Where's that at right now?
In my boob.
Okay.
Is that what you were reaching for when you were walking out? Okay.
Sheriff's office, search warrant! Sheriff's office, search warrant! Come on, hands up, hands up, come out. Come out of the house.
Don't run.
Where are you going?
You're gonna get tasered.
Where are you going?
You're gonna get tasered. You're gonna get tasered. Come here. Come to me. Come to me. Stay with him. Stay with him.
I'm right here.
Hands behind your back.
Yes, sir.
Who else is in there? Who else is in there?
No, not right now.
Hands behind your back.
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, I just came to get my bike. I was literally leaving.
We're doing a protection.
Hands up!
No.
You're gonna get tased! Hey! Sheriff's office, stop! You're gonna get tased! Get on the ground right now! Just toss it over. Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground!
My leg.
Give me your hand! Put your hand behind your back! Hands behind your back!
My leg.
Give me your other hand!
Yeah.
Get your other hand out!
I'm not resisting. I'm not. My leg. I'm not resisting. Come on, put him right there. Right here. I'm trying to set him straight.
Over here.
Now it's gonna be a little tight. So you're the smaller, so I'll put you in the middle. And then I'll put you on one side and him on the other, okay? So come on this side.
Oh, so we all ride together.
Yeah. I'll put it
On this side?
No, you can come in here first.
Okay.
Oh, let her. Yeah.
Oh, it's hot in there.
I'll turn it around. Yeah, you just have to get in the middle.
All
There
right.
goes that damn phone.
Yeah, it won't stop.
Yeah, it won't stop.
Yep. Slide on it. Butt first. There you go. I'll help you. I'll turn the air on for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yep, no problem. If you got that foot in, there you go.
Yeah.
You go. Clear path, right?
Let's go.
We can carry it. Let's just carry it.
That's right. That's right here. You're on this side.
Your leg don't work.
Female back there. She don't care.
She don't care.
There goes feeding back there. Okay.
You're gonna get. That's all I got. Hey, I got soft seats, man. That's all I got. I don't have PT tonight. So, butt first. You have to give him
Somebody give me one more good push.
one more good push.
Yeah.
One more good jump. There you go.
Look out.
Turn the butt in. Turn the butt in.
I can't go that way. I gotta go this way first.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'm with you.
I got you.
Got you. Just don't hit. Don't. No. Don't. What are you doing? Trying to jump in? I'm not gonna lie. It was impressive.
Push my leg, yo. Hurry up, do it. Hold up.
I got you.
He had surgery 8 months ago.
There we go.
Yeah.
Here, things escalate. The suspect calmly admits she's carrying cocaine, hidden in her bra. It's a rare moment where the truth comes easily, but the danger it represents is just beginning.
Get over here.
Stop the car right now! Stop the car!
It's right here. Come here.
Hey! Driver! Put your hands up! Driver!
All right, we're doing a funny stuff. Hold on.
Roll down the window. Both hands out the window.
Both hands!
Out the window. Run off the car, open the door.
Laura, come over here and open this door.
Open the door from the outside.
We have the vehicle stopped, Ridgewood and Wilder, on the west side. And we're doing a felony stop.
Face away from us.
Face away!
Hands up, face away. Your right hand, lift the collar of your shirt from the back. Spin slowly. Spin around slowly.
Y'all know I ain't got nothing.
Fucking spinning. Hands up now. Drop your shirt. Drop it. Lift your hands up. Now walk backwards.
I got him.
Lift your hands up.
Back up.
Brother. Ain't nothing on me, bro.
Shut up. You try to run from us on a dead end?
No, all
I'm sure
I
you
did
didn't.
was
Get in
pull
there.
across the street. I stopped right there.
Put your hands out the window. Stop the car. Stop. Put the car in park. Put your fucking hands out the window. Put your hands out the window. Do not move. I did not say open the door. Put your fucking hands out the fucking window.
Grabbing my phone. Stop reaching.
Grab something else. Grab something else.
I don't want to grab anything.
Don't fucking move. Do you understand?
I don't want to grab anything.
Get the fuck out of the car and turn around.
Yes, sir.
Put your hands on the top of the hood. Do not move. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Put your hands behind your back. Fucking hard-headed. When the cops say put your fucking hands out the window, do that. Let your hands go. It's exactly how people get shot.
Bro, I'm not.
Move to the back of the car. Fucking disobedient.
What do you mean exactly?
When the cops say put your hands out the fucking window 6 times, do not start reaching back in the car.
I understand that.
I guess you don't.
1,000%.
Do you have any weapons on you?
Absolutely not. I do have a pistol in the front there.
Yeah, that's why we're here, and you keep reaching in the car. It's pretty stupid, right? We got a call that you were in a road rage incident with somebody and a gun was mentioned or possibly threatened.
Oh my God, absolutely not.
Well, you know what would help with that? When the cops say put your fucking hands out the window, do that. When we get a call that there's a gun involved and you're so stupid that you keep reaching back in the car, this is how shit escalates.
I got you.
Don't be stupid and listen to the cops.
1000% correct. 1000%.
If nothing happened, then nothing happened. But when I keep giving you lawful orders and you're ignoring them, that's how people get shot and that's how people go to jail.
1000%. I agree. You're right. I'm not gonna. 1000%.
You are not under arrest. You are being detained for investigative purposes.
No problems.
So what happened with you in this car back here?
I don't know what car you're talking about.
The car you've been following for a while and having beef with?
Oh, I wouldn't really have a beef with. I was just like, they cut me off and then passed me, and I was like, what's the deal? I have no idea.
What do you mean by what's the deal?
Like, why are they doing that?
Cutting you off?
Yeah, they cut me off and then like passed me in a 45, and I was like, what the fuck is going on?
Okay.
Who is this person?
Okay, and what happened?
That's it.
Did you ever speak with this person or yell at this person?
Absolutely not. No.
So they're just making all of this up. You know we're wearing cameras, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so you put your hands out the window, then you put them back in, then you put them out, then you put them back in, you put them out, you put them back in. What are you doing when I tell you to put your hands out the window? What are you reaching for? What do you mean?
Reaching for anything.
Okay, then you obviously you're doing something, because if you had your hands out the window and you're not doing anything, there'd be no reason to put them back in the window probably 4 or 5 times.
I just remember rolling my window down and putting my hands out.
So you don't remember me yelling at you like 6 times?
My phone fell down in between the things, so I was just like.
How much do you have to drink? You reek of alcohol. Oh, the pistol's right there in the seat. That's what you're doing.
I said it was right there.
That's what you're doing.
What am I arrested for?
Aggravated assault, aggravated stalking, resisting without violence, and I suspect you're DUI, but we're going to entertain that at the office.
Good Lord Almighty.
Yeah, you got problems. Pretty stupid, right? Spread your feet. Have you ever accidentally cut somebody off in traffic?
I'm sure I have.
Exactly. So what's the big deal? Let it go. It's not a big deal. Let's go.
You're right. Oh, you're ruining my life, bro.
You're ruining your life. I didn't do nothing.
I hear you.
Hey, like I was just telling him, did he go off that ramp up there? Let's see what.
The final arrest is strange and erratic. A toll booth worker describes being threatened, and the man being detained insists he did nothing wrong, even as the evidence builds around him.
Hair about down to his shoulders, shaggier looking, but he reached.
White, black.
White. Definitely a vagrant. And then he tried to reach in the front here and tried to grab my shin and said, "You better watch out." And I said, "Keep stepping." And because I had my cash in the bag, to put it in my pocket now. I told him to keep stepping. He said he's gonna come back and beat my ass. So I don't know if he's trying to come back around or what.
Hey, how's it going? What's up? Can you take your towel off for a second? All right. Can you stand up for me, sir?
No.
All right. 112 Central. I'm out with one at
You telling me to stand up and get arrested? Whoa,
yep.
whoa, whoa.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
For what? Let me tell you something. No, let me explain myself, because I get a right to explain myself.
You do.
No, I get a right
Grandview and Seabreeze.
You're going to arrest me?
Here, you're being detained right now, all right?
You're going to arrest me, seriously?
Yep, not right now. All right, it's under investigation. Don't resist, okay? Hey, you're just being detained right now, all right? I'll ask you all the questions in just a minute. You're matching the description of someone, all right, that we're looking for.
Well, who did what?
All right?
Who did what?
Were you just on the Seabreeze approach?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, tell me what was going on.
Oh, let me turn around and look at it.
Here, hold on. I just want to make sure these don't stitch down on you, okay? I don't want you getting hurt.
I'm not doing it. I didn't do anything wrong. Man, come here. Watch this.
112 Central, I have one detained.
Hey, this is important right here. Can you wipe my... so I can look at you? Hey, my whole life depends.
No, not yet. We're right in front of the DG market.
What did this guy tell you?
He had a towel over his shoulder. I think he ditched it before he went up because when Leia was asking me about him, he actually saw me talking to him. He stayed there by the water, eating feet like this. trying to figure out what's going on.
But so he reached in,
Yeah, he reached
tried to
it
grab the bag,
and like that.
and you grabbed it beforehand.
What bag? The money bag?
Yeah, money bag.
It's a new bird.
It's in my car now if you need to see it.
Yeah.
But I put it in my pocket and told him, I said, fuck off, keep stepping, don't reach into my outlet.
What's the chances of you pressing charges against him?
Alright, let's go to jail.
No, we're not going to jail, man.
Oh, we're going to jail.
Going to jail?
Absolutely, let's go.
For what, sir?
Did you want to read it already?
Yeah.
We read it?